Today I'm going to show you how to make a Southwest Tofu Scramble. It's like eating tacos for breakfast.
Every Saturday morning, like clockwork, I whip up a tofu scramble as part of my weekend breakfast meals. I love keeping things fresh and exciting by experimenting with different variations of this classic dish. Check out my other tofu scramble recipe videos. I've got something for everyone. Here's what you need: 16 ounce of medium firm tofu, green onions, sweet peppers, corn, black beans, black olives, dairy-free Mexican shreds, chili powder, paprika, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, and turmeric for that gorgeous color. For today's recipe, I'm going with medium or soft tofu block. Why? Because a softer tofu gives you that fluffy egg-like texture that's just perfect for that scramble. Trust me, it's a game changer. First things first, let's press that tofu. This step removes the extra moisture and makes the tofu a sponge for all that amazing flavor we're about to add. Leave your tofu in the press for about 15 to 30 minutes, depending on how firm you like it. Here's a tip. If you're new to pressing tofu or you want to up your game, check out my video, How to Press Tofu, and I'll link it below for you. While the tofu is pressing, let's multitask. Grab your green onions and sweet peppers and chop them up into bite-sized pieces. Once the tofu is pressed, pat it dry with a paper towel. Then crumble it into small, bite-sized pieces. It should look like scrambled eggs at this point. Now it's time to add the seasonings. Add chili powder, paprika, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, and turmeric. Mix it all together until the tofu is evenly coated. Heat up a nonstick pan over medium-high heat and add about a quarter cup of water. Toss in your chopped green onions and sweet peppers. You want to let them saute for a few minutes until they start to soften. For this recipe, I'm using frozen corn, so I'm going to add it now because I need it to cook a little bit longer. Now it's time for the star of the show, your seasoned tofu mixture. Add it to the pan and stir everything together and let it cook until all the liquid has evaporated. Then toss in your black beans and black olives for a pop of color and flavor. Now it's time for the grand finale. Sprinkle a generous cup of dairy-free Mexican-style cheese over the top. Cover the pan for a minute or two and let the magic happen as the cheese melts into gooey perfection. And there you have it, a vibrant, cheesy, savory Southwest Tofu Scramble. Perfect on its own, with toast, or wrapped up for an easy breakfast on the go. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more yummy recipes, and let me know in the comments how yours turns out. Check my website for a full printable recipe, and most of the products and ingredients I used in this are linked in the description below. And I'll see you next time.